Are you tired of choosing between a bag that's stylish and one that actually fits your life? Meet the BAGSMART Puffer Quilted Handbag. This isn't just another tote. It's incredibly lightweight, beautifully quilted, and packed with space. It easily handles your laptop, notebooks, water bottle, and daily essentials without feeling bulky. The cloud-like puffy handles feel super soft on your shoulders, making it perfect for long college days, work, or travel. Plus, the water-resistant fabric keeps your stuff safe from unexpected spills. It's stylish, versatile, and matches literally any outfit you throw on. Ready to upgrade your everyday look? I've linked the official Amazon page directly in the description below. Click the link right now to grab yours and check out the latest deals.